We're going to do the frosting for this Bolo Sans Rival. Now here I've taken 1 cup of sugar. To that I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water. Now I'm going to start the flame and I'm not going to stir this. I'm just going to let it come to a gentle boil on its own. It takes about half a minute or so. And then I'm just going to swirl the pan and then stir in between for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to do a water test. I've just taken a bowl of water and I've added a teaspoon of this sugar mixture. Now if you're able to form a ball like this, that means your sugar syrup is ready. You can turn off the heat. Now I'm going to beat 6 egg yolks till they are very light yellow in color for about a minute. Then I'm going to start adding this hot sugar syrup and we're going to keep whisking it. Now the mixture will turn to a very light yellow. Now I'm going to start adding the butter, about 1.5 cup of butter, but a little at a time. Now keep your butter at room temperature. It makes the process easier. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I just changed the pan because it was very small. And our frosting is ready. It has to be nice and thick. Now we're going to move on to the meringue. For that, I've taken 6 egg yolks and I'm going to beat them for about 2 to 3 minutes till they become nice and foamy. Then I'm going to start adding my powdered sugar. In total, I'm using about 2 cups of powdered sugar, a little at a time. Now you've got to whisk this really well till we get a nice thick mixture. So this took me exactly 3 minutes, whisking the sugar and the butter together to get a nice thick mixture. Now you'll see that the mixture has thickened like this. So now I'm going to add 1.5 cup of cashew nut powder. You can also use almond powder. All I've done is just taken the cashew nuts and just blended them in my mixer on a blitz function to get a very fine powder. Now we're just going to mix all of this together. Now here I've taken a baking sheet and I've just lined my baking tray with it and I've just drawn 4 circles of 5 inches each. Now using a piping bag, I'm just filling this meringue into the circles. Now you can also, just roughly eyeball it. If you don't want to use a piping bag, just go with a spoon and, just fill the circles like this. Now preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then bake this at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes till your meringues are nice and done. And you'll get these kind of, meringues. And they're just very light and airy like this. And now we're going to assemble our lovely Bolo Sans Rival. Now first I'm taking the meringue, I'm placing it on the base of the plate. I'm going to then put in the frosting. Now you could add some finely chopped cashew nuts also. And then you're just going to repeat the process like this with all the 4 meringues. Now I've used, I have my cake stand, below the plate, so that makes it a little bit easier. And then just apply some of the frosting at the sides and just even it out. And then I'm just going to decorate it with some cashew nuts. You can also use cherries, which is the traditional way of decorating it. And then I just have these almond slivers or just shaved almonds. I'm just going to add that just to make it look nice and pretty. And you have to refrigerate this. It is a cold dessert. And, when you slice it up, you will just see the lovely layers. And it's really, really delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try.
I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.